We'll guide you through how to make a playlist on Spotify. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Playlists are really useful as you can go and keep music together. Maybe it's your favorite type of music, different categories or genres, or whatever you want. To get started, come to the bottom and tap your library. Then you can go to the top right and go and tap on the plus like so. You can come down to the bottom and select playlist. You can go and give it a name. I'll name this tutorial and press create. It'll then take you in it and you can tap on add to this playlist and you can go and start adding songs. You can search at the top or use suggested ones. We can press the cross in the top left. So here you can go and share the playlist and you can click on the three dots and you've got more options as well there. And to add more music, you can tap on search at the bottom, go and find some music you want to add. Let's say I wanted to do some by Nems. I could go and click play. And let's say you want to go and add a song to a playlist you're listening to, then click on the player at the bottom, then click on the song name, and you can go and click on the three dots, and you can then tap on add to playlist, and you can go and select your playlist like so, and press done, and it will go and be added. You can find your playlist by clicking your library at the bottom, and then you can go and find it here.